Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be how to make the back post single crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it'll be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. To begin, I have already made one chain on the row that I'm working. I made one single crochet, a regular one, into the first stitch. Into that next stitch, I did do a back post one, so you can see what it's going to look like already. And then I did one single into the next stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and make a back post into the fourth stitch here. So what you're going to do is you're going to work into the back of this stitch. Then you're going to go around that next single crochet post and back into this stitch or in the front of that next stitch like this. You're going to grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through both stitches. You're then going to have two loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through both like a regular single crochet. So that's what it's going to look like. I'm going to do a regular single in this next one. So in this next stitch, we're going to work through the back right here. You're going to go around this single crochet post into that next stitch through the front. Grab that yarn, pull through, pull around that single crochet post right there. You're going to yarn over, pull through both loops. I'm going to do a regular one. The reason I'm doing regular single crochets in between these is it's going to show the texture once it's laid out. So again, we're going to work from the back of this stitch right here, this next stitch. I'm going to go through the back, around that single crochet post, into the front of that next stitch. Pull that yarn through both, and you're going to yarn over, pull through both loops. All right, I'm going to do a regular one. So again, we're going to work through the back of this stitch right here, around this single crochet post, into the front of this one. You're going to grab that yarn, you're going to pull through both. You're then going to yarn over, pull through both loops. And I'm going to make a regular single into this last stitch right here. Okay. So that's going to be how the back post single crochet stitch is going to look. You can see that it's sort of raised, especially in the back. With back post stitches, the back of your work is where you're really going to see the texture come out. So you can see that these regular single crochet stitches that I made are sort of towards the front of your work, and the back posts are sort of sunken in. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please leave me any feedback for some videos that you would like to see. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day.